This is the brand new iPad mini, and in this video we're going to show you how to safely take it apart in case you need to make any repairs. The first thing you will need to do is use a warm hair dryer or heat gun to warm the adhesive that is holding the screen in place. With the glue warmed, we can now use a safe open pry tool to get between the glass and the iPad and gently ease the screen up. Once you have separated most of the glue, you can start to ease the screen away from the rest of the iPad. Be careful, however, as it is still connected at the bottom of the iPad with a flex ribbon cable. Next, you will need to remove some sticky tabs which are covering some small Phillips screws. Remove as being shown here now in the video using a safe open pry tool. Using a small Phillips screwdriver available on the RepairsUniverse website, remove the 4 screws as being shown here now in the video. With the screws removed, we can lift up the LCD screen. Lift from the bottom as it is still held at the top with a flex ribbon cable. With the LCD screen lifted, remove the 16 small Phillips screws as being pointed out here now in the video. With the screws removed, you can now lift out the metal plate. Next, remove the 3 small Phillips screws and then remove the metal plate. Using a pry tool, release the pop connector of the LCD screen. With the connector released, we can now lift out the LCD screen from the Mini. Next, using a pry tool, release the pop connector of the Digitizer and then pop out the circuit board, which is held in with a little bit of glue. Once this is eased out, we can remove the touchscreen Digitizer. The touchscreen can now be lifted safely from the rest of the device. You can now replace the touchscreen Digitizer.